Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today is an unboxing video. Obviously, it's already off to a good start because even though this is a USPS box, it was shipped by UPS, so that's kind of funny. Apparently, you can do that. I mean, it's not a federal offense or anything, I guess. I know when they first came out with these boxes, they were blank on the inside, and then within a little while they printed all over the inside USPS because people would buy them and then just flip them inside out and ship stuff through UPS or FedEx or whatever. But hey, I guess it doesn't matter. You can just do it this way too. Oh man, I'm going to have to pause the video. There's about 200 peanuts in here, so I'll be right back. Well, looking at this case, I would say all those peanuts were totally unnecessary, but yeah, you know, crush proof, waterproof, Pelican type container here. Got a little straggler peanut here. Definitely a nice heavy duty watch box though. So Boldr Supply Co. obviously. Here we go. I like this case. Still wearing this Miss Everest. Forgot to take it off before the video. All right, let's zoom in here. So this is on loan from Random Rob. I don't know why that spring bar is in there. Chris over at the Watch Lounge had this before I did, so thanks for sending it over, Chris. Let's put that spring bar down in there. So, gee, I don't know, about a year ago, maybe even longer, I had a Odyssey, bronze Odyssey in. Holy cow, this thing is heavy. Probably the heaviest watch I've ever had my hands on, and it doesn't even have all the links on it. So I will make sure to weigh this for the full review. Probably an 8mm crown or so. Looks like a sapphire bezel insert, sapphire crystal. I would assume that's sapphire as well. It's got a nice dome to it. What is this? 500 meter? I don't know what that is. Let's move the hands and we'll read how deep this watch can go, what the depth rating is. I don't really know anything about this watch. Move the handset out of the way so it's hacking. I think the second hand is moving already. Yep, so it's hacking. See your O-ring right there on the stem, crown stem. It's kind of an interesting machining mark there, I guess. Let's continue to rotate the bezel. Grip is a little tricky with this one. It's definitely a beast of a watch because it has the helium escape valve there. Let's, well, I can read it from this angle. Boldr Odyssey, stainless steel, water resistant for 500 meter. And a nice little, I don't know what that is. It has a trident and some waves. Not sure what that case back is. And here we are. Let's zoom in on the dial. We'll do a wrist shot and we'll call it a video. So on the center of the dial there, looks like a sandpaper texture, and then it's smoother on the outside. I don't know if it has concentric rings or not, or if it's just a sunburst pattern. So that's kind of neat. And a date window there at 6 o'clock, of course. All right, let's zoom out and get this beast on my wrist. kind of like this color blue. It's, I guess I would say a pale blue color. Looks to be brushed almost. Yeah, the entire watch looks like it's brushed. I don't see any polished surfaces on here. The simple stamped clasp. This portion is the milled and has looks like 6 micro adjust there. So anyway, here it is on my wrist. Looks like it uses my entire wristband, but I'll take some measurements and we'll go over all that in the full review. Definitely could use this as a personal defense tool. Alright, let's zoom out here. Actually, for the heck of it, I'll bring my SKX over here. Definitely a great size difference there. So anyway, that will conclude the unboxing video. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.